Hi everybody and welcome back to Teliko Vima English. Today we're going to be talking about three more idioms. Go fly a kite, the big cheese, and smart cookie. Stay with us. It starts now. Go fly a kite. Go fly a kite. What does that mean? Well, it really has little to nothing to do with the activity. Like a lot of idioms, you can't interpret it literally. That's why it's an idiom. It's a very dismissive way of telling people to get out of your face, to leave you alone. It's kind of rude. To go fly a kite. The example would be, I'm busy. Go fly a kite. I don't want to talk to you anymore. Go fly a kite. I know it sounds kind of silly because you're not used to hearing it, but as an idiom, it's very effective, and I would say it's still fairly common in usage, but it is considered rude. One smart cookie. What do you think it means? Do cookies have brains? Do cookies think? No, obviously. This is another idiom, and it means that someone is super intelligent more than you think. It's used to describe someone who's intelligent or clever. It can be used as a compliment or it could be a derogatory phrase. It could be used meaning someone that is manipulative or abusive, someone who will take advantage of you in a sarcastic way. Like,
watch that one. He's one smart cookie.
Like, don't underestimate him. Or it could be complimentary to someone who you don't think is as intelligent as they are. Maybe they have characteristics or mannerisms or some kind of presentation that would cause people to think that they're not as intelligent as they really are. And you pay close attention because they are very intelligent. One smart cookie.
Remember to stick around. We'll have a bonus idiom at the end of the video. Something about pigs in the air.
The big cheese. The big cheese. How could that possibly be complimentary? I don't know, but it is. It's an idiom and you can't figure it out, right? There's no thought process that like the bigger the cheese, the more powerful it is. I mean, there's no association at all, but it means they are a very important person. The CEO of your company might be called the big cheese. It could be used in a cynical way to say someone thinks that they're in charge. Excuse me, here comes the big cheese. All right, well, here's the bonus idiom. When pigs fly. Have you heard it before? When pigs fly. It means something is highly unlikely. Hey boss, when will I get my raise?
A few moments later.
It is highly unlikely. And so when you hear that expression, it has nothing to do with whether pigs can fly or not, because we know they can't fly. But it's talking about a very slim to no chance at all. When will we get to go on a date together? When pigs fly. This has been Teliko Vima English, bringing you through the final steps of fluency.
Please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to show your support.